Hey, Brooke.
Hello.
How you doing today, Brooke?
I'm good. How are you?
I am wonderful. I got a question to ask you, though.
Okay.
Smash or pass?
Smash or pass?
Smash or pass?
We're lesbian.
Okay. Uh,
What?
what? This? I ain't gonna lie. That's your girl?
Yellow, bro.
I take your bitch.
You would?
Hell yeah. Hey, babe.
You wouldn't.
I just got fucking disqualified. That shit just pissed me the fuck off, cuz. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck? What's up, brother? Hello? Take that motherfucking button out your motherfucking head right motherfucking now. Take that motherfucking button off. Hey, snatch that off of her. Snatch it off. Bro, y'all finna piss me off already.
Say, you, oh, hey,
Hey,
Queen.
hey, girl.
How you doing, Queen?
I'm doing wonderful. What's my y'all?
I'm doing amazing.
Mm-hmm. Type, you see the 2 finger clap. Mm-hmm.
YouTuber?
No. Oh, baby. I've been looking for you all day.
I'm 10.
The way dumbass nigga.
Hey, clip that.
You know what I'm saying, right? And
How do you know?
Oh, close as shit. Look at the
fuck, that's some sassy shit.
What's up, Virgo? Hello. Ooh, babe.
Welcome to court. State your problem. We'll fix it.
State your case.
My case is right now that I don't got no bitches.
Okay.
Why does it? There's so many bitches going around.
Like,
There's
how you
so
don't got
many
none? There's
girls.
Because
so
I'm not
many.
easy.
Okay, you ain't gotta
You
be
don't gotta
easy.
be easy.
Okay. So why I gotta be then?
Just be
Charismatic.
you.
I am.
Charming.
I am be me, but that shit don't work.
Because
Why?
you probably going after the bitches that you know don't want you, and you need to go for the bitches that do want you.
You know, you gotta make the eyes.
That be the problem.
You know the eyes.
They might be talking. They speaking facts though. Hello.
Ugly ass nigga, no dad in his life ass nigga, dumb ass nigga.
Damn. PJ. KJ, what's up? Bay, I've been looking for you. What's up?
Who the fuck is Bay?
You, girl. What's up?
I don't know you.
You can get to know me. What's up?
I don't want to get to know you either.
Come on. Come on. Bay. Hey.
Hi.
Ooh, she say hey.
Yo.
Say hey to Twitch.
Hello.
What's up, Jaden? Hey, babe. I'm gonna start saying that, bro. I say, hey, babe.
Hmm?
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe.
Hey, yeah. What you been doing today? Bro. Hey, babe.
I think he's talking to you. No.
Shit be so funny. I ain't gonna lie. I know. Ooh, ooh,
Okay, then.
ooh. I know. What's up, yo?
You overly friendly.
Yo, what's up? What's up? Make sure I come my cake.
And what are you picking her up for?
Make sure I follow my cake. Follow my cake. Hey, babe.
Skipping.
You gonna skip me for what?
Yo.
Hey, babe.
Anyways.
Oh, you guys are so fucking weird.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
How you doing?
Wonderful. How about y'all?
Good.
Hey, what y'all do today?
Easy.
You say wait, say it again.
I said he already.
You already over there cheesing too. What's you trying to do, baby?
I
What's
can't
that? Shit, you smiling, I'm smiling. We was two smiling people together. What's that? Yeah. What's your name is? No. You with all them 52s in your mouth.
It's 32, not 52.
Hey, you clocking my shit. Relax. You know it's TV season 2 fin
Sasha.
clapping. You said what?
Sasha.
Sasha? My name D.
Nah, what's the name your mama gave you?
D. D-E-E.
Please. That's the name your
Relax.
mama gave you.
Yes. You want to see my driver's license?
Yeah.
All right. You're not on here. I'll show you later though.
How you gonna show me later?
Cause I'm finna get your number. That's why. So go ahead, yeah.
Dang.
What?
You don't even want to know where I'm from.
I see you from. You from Maryland.
Damn.
It says it. I'm just telling the truth. Yeah, come on. We can finish this conversation later. Before I have to book me a flight.
Nah, matter of fact, give me your number.
You better use it.
Okay.
You cap.
We finna see right now.
What's she talking about? You think I'm lying about something? I just got it. Hold up.
Okay.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. Text me when you off this bitch.
Okay.
Alright. And that's how you do it.
That's so mean. Like, we're not. I don't know.
Hold up, Shay. I'm texting my bitch.
Okay.
So you gotta give me a second. What's up, babe? Hold up. I'm testing my side hoe. Give me a second. All right, back to you. What's that, baby?
Side hoe.
Hey, yeah. What's up?
How old are you?
I'm 25. What's up?
Nothing. What's up with you?
Shit, you tell me. What's up with you?
Where are you from?
I'm from New Orleans. What about you?
We're from the Bronx.
It's brick out there?
Mm-hmm.
I never been to New Orleans.
I can't ask. 5, 6, 7. She looks back like.
White tuber.
Y-Tuber is crazy.
Hey, spit up your block, bitch. I don't get no fuck by the bitch ass niggas. Yeah, you know I'm finna duck. I hit that bitch with my motherfucking shit. Yeah, put a bitch in.
You not funny, cuz.
Bitch, I didn't say I was funny, ho. And you look like fucking Chicken Little if he got burnt, bitch. Bye. Deal?
Deal.
Okay.
What's the deal?
No fucking deal. I'm gonna make you army so I promise.
You need to.
Hello? Damn.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up?
Why we not married?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, how we gonna tell our kids how we met? Come on.
Do I know you?
Shit, you about to know me.
Are you a YouTuber? You trust?
No, I'm not. I'm not a
Anyways,
YouTuber.
Hey y'all.
Oh my.
Hey y'all.
I'm not trolling though. I'm being like 100% dead ass right now. So you get. Why you think I'm trolling?
I don't care what you is. But anyways, hey YouTube.
This is not YouTube. This is not. I'm not on YouTube.
Hey YouTube. YouTube.
That's how y'all keep saying.
Nah, I'm just playing.
What you do today? Cause I wasn't included into your day.
Yeah.
Bro. Hello?
Lace.
My phone finna die. What the fuck?
Get off the monkey.
I'm not on my phone with Monkey, so shut so ugly ass up. My phone finna die. Oh my god, hold up, y'all. Hold up, give me a second. Alright, hello.
You trolling me, aren't you?
What I did?
You know what you did.
What I do?
You're trolling me.
What you talking about?
You're trolling me, bro.
What is you talking about, girl? What is trolling?
You know. Oh, now you really trolling.
Alright, love, what you talking about?
From Texas.
Relax. I'm not from Texas.
You're in Texas.
I just live out here. That's what you gotta correct that.
You're in Texas.
Hmm?
You're in Texas.
Mm-hmm.
What city?
Where you at? I'm scared. You asking all these government fed questions?
I'm in Arizona.
I never been there.
Oh, it's crazy out here.
For real? Is that bad?
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just told you. Yo,
What's down?
what's up?
What's up?
Well, that's my friend in the back.
What should I do today?
I ain't do nothing.
Bro, everybody in Maryland. What's going on?
I'm in Maryland.
Bro, I just met like 3 other people that was in Maryland. Like,
Bro.
how old you is? How old you is? I'm 45. My fault. That shit was funny. Listen. Can I tell you something?
What's up?
You gotta do something with your hair, cuz.
Me?
Both of us. What's up? Like, what we gonna do?
She has a boyfriend. Sadly, do I. Skip.
Yo.
Did I even say anything about?
Oh,
Shut your cop blocking ass
You're
up.
Skip him.
Fuck. Piss me off now.
They not fucking with. Yo.
Shit.
Hello.
Yep. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
How you doing?
No, for real.
And she's in all the way in Mississippi.
But
She say, "Is you shouldering me now?" That shit was funny. Not gonna lie.
Like when I get pisses them off, I guess I feel like that.
What are you touching your mustache for, Zoe?
Me got me in the place teasing her in the camera.
Being attracted to you.
I had to cut off his man. I hope to see my face. Hello.
Hi.
How y'all doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm alright. Had a long day.
No, what do you mean you look younger than me? You look like you're 40 years old. Not you. Sorry, girl.
Aaliyah. Hey, girl. Hey.
Oh, Diva. I'm dying.
What that mean?
I thought you were.
Oh.
Type
No,
shit.
I wasn't doing it with you. I was doing it.
Oh, damn.
Huh? I got.
What tells you to?
So slow.
Hello.
Hello.
I need to come to New York at this point. Where have you been all my life?
In New York.
All right, so
You say you need to come over here, so I mean,
let's make something happen right now. At this fucking point, you're a fine ass. I need
You
you.
in Texas, though.
I will make. I can fly. How old you is?
I'm 20.
I'm 24. What we gonna do?
Nah, you don't look 24 though.
I'm
You
dead.
look...
I'm dead ass 24.
Oh, okay. I mean, I wasn't saying you was lying. I'm just saying
Oh.
you look younger than what you saying. Your age is.
Type shit. So what you doing tomorrow that I'm including into?
I'm going to work.
Me too.
Yeah, that's so
No
good.
bullshit. I don't want to go though, but money to be made.
Exactly.
So, what we finna continue this conversation? Cause
You stream?
no,
So you just be on the game.
hell yeah, I be doing like GTA RP and shit.
Okay. This is my IG. If you have Instagram.
Oh, I got it all right. All right, I'm gonna text you. Hopefully you respond.
Alright.
All right.
I will.
I'll be waiting for you.
Okay.
All right, love.
He was trying to say he was Korean. Why?
I don't got time for these sluts. I ain't got time for these sluts.
Just looking at like that's just nasty.